Hello everyone, I'm Lynn Beckett, the founder of Telemars. In my previous video, I discussed that about 80% of data-driven projects fail, according to the studies by some research organizations and leading practitioners. When exploring why data-driven projects fail, we need to understand what has happened in the space of data-driven technologies and applications, and why. Data-driven technologies, including analytics and AI, have been around for a long time. However, 30 years ago, they were impractical for many scenarios due to a lack of data and computing power. As a result, these applications were rarely seen in everyday work and life environments. Over the past 2 decades, the amount of data being produced has grown significantly, making data analytics more viable. With breakthroughs in computing power, the applications of advanced analytics and AI have become practical. Like any emerging technology, we initially focus on exploring opportunities, understanding the data, discovering what could be done with it, and experimenting with advanced algorithms to push the boundaries. This discovery phase is essential for understanding and improving the technology. However, the bottom-up approaches inherent in this phase often flood us with information that may not align with our objectives and goals. This noise can become overwhelming, distracting, and even misleading, preventing us from seeing beyond what the data presents and obscuring the bigger picture. Why don't bottom-up approaches work? I will discuss two reasons in this video. First, systems were not developed for insights. In a business context, data is often generated by systems designed for specific tasks, such as enterprise resource planning, ERP systems, or finance tools, etc. When software engineers developed these systems, their primary focus is on ensuring functionality, such as managing workflows or transactions, rather than anticipating the future insights business leaders or experts might need. As a result, when businesses attempt to analyze performance or efficiency to gain insights aligned with their strategy pillars, the required data may not exist or may be difficult to locate. While valuable insights can sometimes be extracted from existing data, significant gaps often remain because the need for such insights was not considered during the system development. Second, current common practices fail to align data analytics with the business strategies. When I mention data analytics to business managers, I often hear responses like, we are using Power BI, or we use Databricks or Snowflake, or you can talk to our data science team. Businesses tend to leave data with technical teams and tools, hoping some magic will happen. With today's technology, technical teams can always deliver some information. However, without deep knowledge of business domains and an overarching strategy, this information can be fragmented, inconsistent, or full of noise, preventing organizations from leveraging data effectively to create value. Now that we have a good understanding of what can be done with data and the available technologies, It's time to move beyond the bottom-up approach. So what is maturity? Maturity is the stage at which data-driven applications consistently deliver value and benefits in everyday work or life environments with acceptable costs and manageable risks. To reach this level of maturity, we need to adopt a top-down approach. This means establishing the right strategies, frameworks, processes, and teams. In one of my upcoming videos, I will discuss data strategy and how it can guide us towards achieving maturity in data-driven projects. If you are interested in this type of topics, please subscribe to this channel or follow my LinkedIn page. Have a great day. See you in the next video.